friction is fluid friction. First, we need to understand what is fluid. A substance that can flow and change its shape when acted upon by a force is called as fluid. Water, air, blood, fuels, any other gas or liquid are the examples of fluid. Now, what is fluid friction? It is a force of resistance between the object and the fluid when it moves through the fluid. This frictional force or resistance exerted by a fluid opposes the motion of an object through that fluid. It is called as drag. Swimming is the example of fluid friction. When a person or a fish swims, he experiences a backward push from the water. This push is nothing but the frictional force exerted by the water on him. To overcome this, he pushes the water out of the way in a forward direction. The drag of water slows down the motion of moving objects such as boats, ships, submarines, etc. Fishes and other aquatic animals also experience such kind of fluid friction. So friends, have you ever thought why are aeroplanes streamlined in shape? Here is the reason. Similar to water, air also exerts friction on moving objects such as aeroplanes, birds, etc. It is called as air resistance. Even the vehicles moving on the ground or water also experiences air resistance. This air drag obstructs the speed of vehicle and eventually more fuel consumed to overcome this force. Therefore, the aeroplanes or rockets have given a streamlined shape to reduce this resistance.